In our previous video, we have seen how to apply CSS styling for our HTML content. We applied just a basic CSS styling for this. So in this video, let's understand more about CSS styling. Let's understand another selector which can be used in order to perform styling. That is, let's use ID selector in this case. So for this p tag that which we have specified over here with hello world message, I want to specify an ID for this by making use of ID equals, for example, I want to specify hello. Okay. So to apply for any tag, that is p or h1 or any heading tag or anything, if I want to apply styling for that by making use of this ID, we can specify that ID over here inside our style. That is by specifying hash. Hash is used for ID, and what is the name, what is the value which we have assigned for this ID? That is hello. So hash hello, we have to specify like this. Whenever we are specifying hash hello, what will happen? It will look, hash will look for ID, and ID with value hello will be called. Okay, so ID with value hello for this content, that is hello world, which is the message which we are displaying over here, our styling will get applied. This is how we are making use of ID by using hash hello. Okay, suppose to understand more about this, we have another paragraph, for example p, and in this paragraph I am going to specify a sample message. This is second paragraph. Okay, for example hash p. Now I'll save the changes. Now if you observe over here, you can see that the first para which is displaying hello world, all this styling is getting applied, that is color, text, align, font size. All these three properties which we have applied are getting applied for this first message. But why for the second message it's not getting applied? It is displayed normally. No styling is applied for this. Why? Because we have not specified id equals hello for this. If you observe over here, for the second para, there is no id. What will happen whenever whatever we are specifying inside style, that is hash hello, it will look for anything, any p tag or h tag or anything which is having id as hello. So wherever we are specifying id equals hello, for that these stylings will be applied, whatever the styles which we are providing over here. Suppose what I want to do is I want to apply for both, for example this para as well as this para. So what I'll do, I'll specify for this also as id equals hello. Okay, now I'll save the changes. Now if you see, for both the paragraphs, hello world as well as this is second paragraph, both the paragraph, these stylings are getting applied, that is color, text, align and font size. Why? Because we are applying id equals hello for both the paragraphs, so for both styling is getting applied. But every time whenever we are applying styling for each tag, we cannot apply id equals hello, id equals hello. We don't want to specify every time. I want to apply these stylings for everything, whatever the paragraphs which we are going to specify, or whatever the headings which we are going to specify. In that case, what we can do, we can change this to star. Okay, that is asterisk. Whenever I am specifying asterisk, even if I am removing this id equals hello, and here also if I am removing, I am saving the changes, still these styles will get applied for both the paragraphs. This star which we are going to specify over here, that is asterisk, means to say that for anything this styling has to be applied. For any HTML content, this styling has to be applied. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. We have seen id selector in this case, as well as for anything which we want to apply, we have seen asterisk, the selector, where we can apply for everything. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Please like, comment and share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos.